Hello, good morning, students. So, we are continuing our topic halogen derivatives, and this is last topic from this halogen derivatives electrophilic substitution in aryl halide electrophilic substitution reactions. Now, here, before seeing this electrophilic substitution reactions in aryl halides, we have to see the resonance effect. We have seen in resonance chlorobenzene that electron density is more at ortho and para positions. Therefore, incoming electrophile, that is positively charged species or which is electron deficient species, it attacks at these positions. But at ortho positions, due to steric hindrance, the para product is predominant, that is it is major product. So what happens here, at this ortho position there is steric hindrance between this halogen and the electrophilic reagent here. So because of steric hindrance, this ortho product is less stable. It is less stable. So here the para product is major because here steric hindrance take place between this halogen and the newly attacked electrophilic reagent. Okay, so this is resonance effect. So these electrons, they are in conjugation with this benzene ring. So at ortho and para positions, the electrophilic attack takes place. Now, inductive effect. These halogens are strongly electronegative and withdraw electron density from carbon atom to which it is attached. Hence, aryl halide show reactivity towards electrophilic attack. Okay. Thus, here this inductive effect and this resonance effect both compete with each other. There is competition between inductive effect and resonance effect. But this inductive effect is stronger than resonance effect. Hence, in aryl halide, reactivity is controlled by stronger inductive effect at ortho and para position, and which is controlled weakly by resonance effect. Means here inductive effect is stronger, powerful than resonance effect. Okay. So using this, the reactions, electrophilic substitution reactions, first is halogenation, that is introducing halogen into benzene ring. So this is chlorobenzene, two molecules of chlorobenzene plus two chlorine molecules in presence of anhydrous FeCl3. In presence of anhydrous FeCl3, then at ortho and at para position, chlorine get introduced. So here it gives 1,2-dichlorobenzene and it gives 1,4-dichlorobenzene. This is major product. 1,4-dichlorobenzene is major product and this is minor product. Second, nitration. Now nitration means introduction of nitro group in benzene ring. Chlorobenzene plus nitrating agent, that is concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Then NO2, that is electrophilic reagent, get attacked at this ortho and para position. So 1 chloro 2 nitro benzene. This is first position, 1 chloro 2 nitro benzene, or 1 chloro 4 nitro benzene. This is major product because this both chlorine and nitro groups are far away from each other, so there is no steric hindrance. Here this is stable product, but here they are very close with each other. First position and second position or ortho position is very close, and hence because of steric hindrance the product is less stable. Sulfonation. So introduction of SO3H group, sulfonyl group in benzene ring. Chlorobenzene plus 2 H2SO4 concentrated sulfuric acid molecules. Now here OH minus and SO3H plus, this act as electrophile. So this electrophilic reagent attacks here at ortho position and para position. So 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is major product and this is minor product. Now fourth reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction. There are two reactions, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Alkylation means to introduce alkyl group into benzene ring, and acylation means to introduce acyl group, acetyl group to benzene ring. Chlorobenzene plus CH3Cl, methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Methyl radical CH3 plus attacks at this ortho position and in para position. So this is 1-chloro 2-methylbenzene and this is 1-chloro 4-methylbenzene. Thus methyl group is introduced into benzene ring as electrophile. Acylation. So when chlorobenzene reacts with acetyl chloride CH3COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, this acetyl group as electrophile attacks here at ortho position and para position. So it gives 2-chloroacetophenone. This is acetophenone, and in this is first and this is second, 2-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloro acetophenone formation take place. So these are electrophilic substitution reactions of aryl halides. Now here, this is descriptive, and theoretical part uses an environmental effect of some polyhalogen compounds. Dichloromethane, CH2Cl2 properties. See, it is colorless, volatile liquid with sweet aroma. It is used as solvent and propellant in aerosols. So it can be used as fuel. Its effects. Its overexposure causes dizziness, fatigue, nausea, headache, and numbness, weakness. If contacted with eyes, it may causes cornea, that is responsible for blindness. So these are the side effects of dichloromethane, CH2Cl2. Chloroform. It is colorless liquid having peculiar sweet odor. It is used to prepare chlorofluorocarbon, which is act as refrigerant. It is known by R22. In market, it is known by name R22. It is used as solvent for gums, fats, resins. Okay. Its effects. It causes depression on central nervous system for short time inhaling. For short time inhaling, it causes fatigue, tiredness, dizziness, and headache. Long exposure affects on liver. When it exposes to air and light, it forms poisonous gas phosgene. It forms poisonous gas phosgene. So, to avoid its contact from air and light, it is stored in dark bottles. It is stored in dark bottle. So this dark color, amber colored bottle, they prevent the contact with sunlight. So this poisonous phosgene cannot form. Next is carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. It is colorless liquid with sweet smell. It is used as solvent for oils, fats, and resins. It acts as source of chlorine and used as cleaning agent. Carbon tetrachloride is used as cleaning agent. Side effects. So exposure to high concentration, it can affect central nervous system. It is suspected to be carcinogenic. So cancer causing substance, CCl4 is cancer causing substance. It is greenhouse gas. It is greenhouse gas. Iodoform Next compound is iodoform. It is yellow crystalline substance with disagreeable smell. It is used in medicine as healing agent, antiseptic in wounds. Iodoform as healing agent and antiseptic in wounds. Effects: it causes irritation to skin, eyes, causes respiratory difficulty, dizziness, nausea, depression of central nervous system, and visual disturbance. So disturbance to our vision. Freons. These are organic compounds of chlorine and fluorine used as refrigerant. Freon 12 CCl2F2. Other refrigerants R11 CCl3F, R22 CHClF2, used as blowing agents in making foams and packing materials. It is also used as blowing agent in making foams and packing materials. Effects: it is responsible for ozone depletion. So ozone layer around the earth is get depleted by means of these freons. It causes breathing problem, organ damage, and loss of consciousness. And last, DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. It kills insects, flies. Its adverse effect: vomiting, tremors, trembling, shakiness. It affects on liver and reproduction system. Now its structure may be asked. Structure of DDT. So here the end of this chapter, halogen derivatives, and we have finished halogen derivatives.